Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. I've had to do this in the house because my audio failed while I was out flying around in the park, so I'll have to try and talk it through what I was saying, but we'll get there. So what I start off doing, I fly over the pitch because I've heard that there's quite a lot being moved off the pitch now. So it's looking like we're finally getting there to seeing the new pitch getting relayed. Well, the new pitch getting laid. So as you can see here, it's a lot of it's uncovered, and what's remaining is just the bottom pieces of the pitch coverings, which I expect them to be lifted up today. The pitch is completely ruined, as you can see. It's wrecked. But we knew it was going to be wrecked. So I'll just edge over a touch more just to show that all the plants being moved off. So there's no cherry pickers. There's no lifts. There's no cranes. Everything's just being moved off. Then I edge around a bit now to have a look at the corner that everyone's talking about. Want to see if there's any more being added, if you like, in that corner, but there's nothing that I can notice anyway. If anyone knows, if anyone can see anything, let me know. Also, that upper shoulder span as well, that still hasn't got the cladding on, so why have they taken the cranes off and how are they going to get the cladding up on there? If anyone knows, let me know. So I thought the cranes would have stayed to get the cherry pickers would have stayed to get that up. So coming down on the Kenny side now, as you can see, the cladding hasn't changed anything since I was last there, but the brickwork has. You can see quite a bit of the brick, but now they've got so high they've had to put another platform in there so they can start building it up a little bit more. You see the tops of the brick there, and that'll be getting added to. Hopefully they'll be doing more today. I was there at 6:30 this morning and it was dead. There was no one on site. Car park was empty, which is a little bit sad because when everything was going on, you know, the roof was about to come off and everything, that park was car park was absolutely buzzing with lorries, drivers, just people milling around and talking. You know, there's bits of crane. It was exciting to see because you knew it was all going to go in the ground at some point. But yeah, it's just dead now. It's quiet there. So a little slow scan along here. That bottom left there where the red is, I haven't got a clue what that is. There was a shutter or something. I should have zoomed on it to have a good look on it, but I couldn't. Well, I didn't, I should say. Quite a bit of brickwork to be done there as well, so hopefully they'll be moving along with that soon. Just seems a lot to be done on the outside at the moment. So coming around this side to have a look at the brickwork, and as you can see, it's come out quite a lot there now. So that's probably as high as they can go on that platform. They're going to have to add another platform in there now to get the brickwork even higher. Yeah, I'll zoom in on there because it doesn't look like a lot of work, you know, with the poles being there. It doesn't look like a lot of work a lot of space to work and put that new badge up. So I don't know what they're going to do with it. I didn't have a look at the open section there because the wind was picking up a little bit, so I thought, no, I'm not going to risk it. I'll come round a little bit, but yeah. The wind was just picking up too much. And yeah, there's breeze blocks there as well, isn't there? Which I hadn't noticed before. I'm not sure if they're new. So I didn't go back around anymore, just because the wind's getting high. So what does everyone think about this new player bought anyway? Dominic Szoboszlai. I hope I pronounced his name right. It looks like a horrible one to say. I've seen bits of him and he looks good. He looks like he's going to be a good signing. So yeah, let me know what you think about him. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it there. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Trying to get to 12,000 now, which I'm almost there. Likes and comments are always appreciated. And as always, look after yourselves and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.